what it is 3 snowmen that I got from Doug at Wood Spun Round, and I'm going to put them here with epoxy, and I've got some of those crepe myrtle seed pods. My intent is to pour white tinted epoxy shallow, let it be cure partway, and then put another color, more translucent color above that. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, I've made the first step in the progress of this snowman. So I filled white epoxy from here up to here with crepe myrtle seed pods mixed in, and that was basically giving it some space to lift it up and also give it something to look at in the epoxy. My intent is this is going to be a pretty small cup. So, I mean, I might end up with the outside of the bowl being out about here, which is the center line of the snowman. And, you know, here or here. So it's only going to be 3 inches across. So we'll see how it goes. So here I've cut the top off flat. It's going to make a pretty small, like a pencil cup. I have this mounted, and it's going to turn into something here. But I think my circle, as you hear, when I see it, you can see it's wobbling quite a bit. So I must not have made this planer here. So when I made this surface, so I can't fix that very easily. So I'm going to just go for it. And what that probably means is that this is going to end up a lot smaller than I hope for when I get it round. So we'll see. How's it going? Yeah, I'm having trouble with it slipping over here too, so we'll... I'm going to take this off and see if I can do something. Okay, now I'm getting ready to sand from 120 to 320. Let's see how that goes. Okay, here's one of my latest base, or it's going to be a pencil cup, I think, again. If you look at this carefully, you'll notice it's got snowmen in here, here, and here, and then purple or white epoxy. And this has crepe myrtle pieces of seed pods in it. I put them in as some interest. They're not there for any other reason. I still have my tenon on the bottom, and I haven't drilled the top in and finished it out. So the sanding is done on this surface. I got these from Doug Miller from Wood Spun Round when we did a wood trade, and he had sent those in as a little bonus, and I needed to figure out something to do with them. So here's what I did. I made a pencil cup, and we'll see. You can see that they're about a little less than half is gone here, so this would continue getting wider if I went in farther, but I don't want to go in much farther. But overall, it turned out pretty interesting.
So I'm going to put my wooden nickel on. So I use thick super glue, and I do a ring, and then I hit the wooden nickel with some accelerator, and I'm good.
And this one here is a 3 snowmen that I got from Doug Miller at Wood Spun Round. He made those, and we had a wood swap, and he included these as an extra that I tried to think of something I could do with them, and so here we have them. Basically, I've got them centered nicely on the pencil cup rim, and you can see they turned out pretty nice. And the purple mica powder and epoxy has a nice swirly effect there. And then I got it white at the bottom, which I was thinking of it being snow, but it has the crepe myrtle seed berries or seed pods in it that kind of give it some texture. Oh, it's 5 inches tall and 3.5 inches wide.
If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. I make a video about once a week.